How to get rid of a blood stain. Wondering how to get blood out of clothes, sheets, or even a mattress? You're not alone. The good news, though, is that blood stains are so not a big deal and nothing to be embarrassed about. And the even better news is that there are tons of options for how to get rid of period stains that totally work. Some of these are bound to really surprise you. Hello everyone, and welcome to Grandma Knows. Life can be a struggle, but things don't always have to be dealt with in a complicated way. And I'm sure your grandma had the solution to pretty much every problem, like a stubborn stain on your clothing or a common health complaint. In these videos, I will provide you with all kinds of similar useful tips that you can do at home. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Run lightweight fabrics under cold water. When it comes to getting rid of period blood out of clothes, especially items made of lightweight fabric, like underwear or PJ bottoms, first try holding the stained area taut under cold running water. You'll be amazed at how much stuff a steady stream of H2O can coax out of a garment. Sometimes cold water is enough to get fresh blood stains out entirely, especially if you act quickly. So immediacy is key here, since the fresher a blood stain is, the easier it is to get out. Pretty simple, wasn't it? Apply hydrogen peroxide or lemon juice to the blood stain. Up next, you might need something stronger than water for set-in period stains. Thankfully, there are a load of common household items you can use to remove stubborn stains. For lighter colored clothes, hydrogen peroxide or lemon juice are great options. Just be aware that they can cause a color loss on darker items, so test them on an inconspicuous area to be sure they're safe to use. If all these tricks still didn't help, don't worry, because the tips we are going to share next will surely help. So keep watching and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Try sponging the stain with aspirin or baking soda. Two other super common items, aspirin and baking soda, can also be used to treat blood stains. As far as aspirin is concerned, crush up a few tablets and mix the resulting powder with water to form a paste that can be applied to the stain. The same thing with baking soda. Just mix them with water to make a paste and apply it to the stains. Allow the paste to sit for at least 30 minutes, up to overnight, and then launder the garment as usual. And there you have it. But if that didn't work either, then this next tip will definitely save you. Up your laundry game with blood removal products. So you've run your stained fabric under cold water and given hydrogen peroxide and other household items a chance to work their magic. But if you're still seeing a stain, then before tossing your garment in the wash, pre-treat it with laundry product that's good at ghosting ugly blotches. Oxygenated bleaches and enzymatic cleaners are both all-purpose stain treatments that are ace on blood, and it will surely save you from ruining your favorite clothes next time. So, ultimately, most blood-stained things can be salvaged with fast action, a little cold water, and a lot of patience. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel so I can help you with even more useful tips. And thanks for watching.